And Roxanne was a 100% genuine hermaphrodite, which is rare. Okay. When Roxanne said she didn't know what she was, it was real. But anyway, George Bowley, one of our buddies, fell in love with this fucking.
Sorry, George.
Fell in love with this fucking. He's dead.
Oh, okay.
Or you're welcome.
He's from Council Bluffs, Iowa. It doesn't matter. He's dead. He fell in love with this Roxanne, and he wouldn't go back with us. He said, I'm fucking staying there. I'm marrying her. I fucking love her. We had to drag that motherfucker back across the border. He cried all the way back to Pendleton. Roxanne.